Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to change your locking hubs on your 2003 to 2000 whatever F250 Power Stroke. So anyways, these ones are complete fucking garbage and they don't work, so I'm putting on worn manual locking hubs. So anyways, there's the old one. First thing you're going to want to do is pop that piece of shit off of there. Use whatever you can. There you go. Pry it off. So there's your old one. There's a snap ring in there, or like some kind of a weird ring. You want to take some kind of shitty pliers like these Canadian Tire jobbies. Pull them out. Of course, I gotta tighten up my pliers. Pull that thing out, throw that on the ground so that you get some dirt in it. And you can take your hub and pull it right off. These ones I've worked on them plenty. I've put lots of grease on them. You might have to use some kind of spray weasel piss to get them off. So anyways, let me go grab the new ones and we'll be right back. So there is the new hub. It's a worn manual locking hub. Looks pretty nice and shiny. When it comes from the factory, this cap will not be installed. You'll have to put the Allen head screws in there. So anyways, put that there so I can get some dirt on it. Take this piece of shit, put it in, just like so. Looks great. Now the old retaining ring with the two little tabs on it is not going to work. So in the package comes this, whatever this is. It's a new retaining ring. You're going to have to put that bastard into place. So anyways, I will put that in. You're going to need to separate it. See how it kind of separates. You're going to have to do that, jimmy it into place, and then kind of go from there. So I'll put that in right in here, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so we're back, and the ring is installed. It's kind of a bastard to put in, but you know, just use a little bit of redneck ingenuity and you get her in there. Now you're going to want to put your cap on, and it comes with all the Allen head bolts. No friggin' clue what size they are, nor do I care. I just found the right size bastard to use. So anyways, we're going to put her on and we'll be right back. Okay, so there you have it. Bolts are in, hubs installed. One thing I want to definitely stress is make sure that your truck is in two-wheel drive when you do it, too high. And then your hubs are set to free, not lock. Put her on free, not lock. And they turn nice and easy. Anyways, then you want to throw this son of a whore on there. Slap that on. Bitch slap it into place. Use your foot if need be. The only thing I'm not happy about, obviously, is that the hubs are kind of recessed inside the hub, or inside the hubcap. So anyways, whatever. I don't really give a shit because now my four-wheel drive works. And that's all that matters to me. So yeah, if you're kind of a bitch and you don't like getting your hands dirty, then take it to a shop and get it done and let those guys laugh at you. But very easy job, and it takes about a couple minutes to do. So there you go. Enjoying this nice weather, early December in New Brunswick. Have a great day.